day, everyone. Today, we're spending another day exploring Amorgos. We didn't have much of a plan. We just wanted to enjoy the island, spend the afternoon at one of our favorite beaches, have dinner at one of our favorite restaurants, and end the day with a beautiful sunset. So, let's get going. We started our day in Lagada, driving through Hora before making our way to the south of the island. The drive from the north to the south only takes about 20 minutes, but it's one of those roads where you constantly want to stop because the views are just incredible. So, I'll let you enjoy the scenery for a bit. Beach. Once you arrive, you have to leave the car at the top and walk down a rocky path to reach the beach. If you're planning to visit, just take your time, especially if you're wearing slippers, as some parts of the path are a little steep. But once you get to the bottom, you'll see why everyone loves this place. The water is crystal clear, the cliffs surrounding the beach are incredible, and it feels like a hidden little paradise. Here, swimming, relaxing in the sun, and exploring underwater. The visibility is amazing, so we grab our mask and look for fish around the rocks. It's one of those places where time just disappears. better going up than coming down, but completely worth it. After the beach, we drove a little further south towards Catamaria. Before dinner, we made a quick stop at this beautiful old church. One of the things I love about Amorgos is that you'll find little churches like this all over the island, each with its own charm and history. For dinner, we went to Marusol restaurant, one of our favorite places to eat on the island. We've been here a few times now, so it becomes a bit of a tradition whenever we visit. It's a family-run restaurant that's been around for many years, and the food is always amazing. Tonight, we ordered grilled sardines, oven-baked goat, stuffed vine leaves, fried calamari, and a few drinks. The portions here are always really generous, and everything tasted so fresh. The best part? The whole meal came to just 57 euros, which we thought was great value. And of course, there were some very cute cats keeping us company throughout dinner.